Hello everyone, let's start the video. For this, take a grass and then fold it nicely and then cut the edges of it. Attach it with the help of a glue. Now take the edges and attach it very nicely and then make the shape out of it and do it as shown in the video very nicely, and it's all done. For the next one in the video, take the orange peel and then peel it nicely. Now make the small cuts out of it in the circular way and then start attaching it all together and do it as shown in the video, and it's all done. For the next one in the video, take a grass or the dry grass and then fold it nicely. Now stick it with the help of a glue and then start attaching the small eyes and do it as shown in the video. Make the small little chicks and it's done. For the next one, take the eggshells and then color it according to you. Now crush it nicely. Now draw the vase and then start attaching it all together. Now do it as shown in the video. Make the small flowers out of it and then attach it all together on the twig we have made earlier, and it's done. For the next one in the video, start drawing with the help of a marker or the sketch pen some horizontal and vertical lines and then tear the sheets very nicely, and then do it as shown in the video. Start making the small lines out of it and then make some curvy lines all over it, and it's done. For the next one, with the help of a marker, start making some horizontal and vertical lines and then start making the leaves out of it. Now take the sheets and then start attaching it all together as shown in the video. It's done. For the next one, take a tissue and then cut it into half. Now take the small parts out of it and then start making the flowers out of it. Now take the clay and start pressing it on the flowers as shown in the video. Repeat the process very nicely and gently and then do it. It will look like this, and it's all done. It is cute, right? For this one, draw the umbrella shape like structure and then attach the sticks on the between. Now take a sheet and then crumble it nicely and attach it all together. Now do it as shown in the video, and it's all done. Thanks for watching.